Actually, the Wi-Fi connection is troubling a lot. Every night is coming and going. So let me quickly finish off this one. Okay, I put it on recording. So even if anyone else doesn't join, it will not affect because they can see the recording. Okay, so we were discussing till the categorization of the items into A, B, and C, right? Before categorizing, I hope you're listening. Ankita, Bikram, Yanthen, Yogesh was also there. I hope you're listening, right? Yanthen, Bikram, Ankita, you're
Yes,
listening?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So you were not there in the first class, I think. We have started with the ABC analysis and till the stage of categorizing we completed and then I got disconnected. So I'll start from there itself now. Okay. So the thing is that before categorizing the items into A, B, and C, you have to know that how they are actually categorized. So for that, you have to go back to the definition of the ABC analysis. If you remember, the value of the items which has the highest value, that means whose consumption value or the annual usage amount will be the highest, but will be less in number, those are categorized as A item. So in this problem, you can see that A and C are holding values of percentage 46.67% and 33.33%. So quite high than rest of the items, right? So this compared to all the other items, when you will see that two or three items is holding the highest percentage out of the total value, those you will categorize as A item. Then you need to look out for the B category items. Although B and C will look somewhat similar, still you have to categorize them. So how will you categorize that? Say for example, in this sum, you can see it is 4, 3, 3. Then 2 is starting. 2, 2, 2, 1 and 0 for the rest of the items. So what you can do is you can assume that 4.67, 3.33 and 3% you will put them in a single category and rest of the items in another category. Like that you will have to categorize. Okay, but there is no hard and fast rule because these are all dependent on the perception of the person who is categorizing. That is why there is no hard and fast rule, but you have to keep in your mind in your mind that the items holding the highest value will have to be categorized as A. Then you will have to set a criteria from your own. Looking at the percentages, you have to set that criteria. For example, in this problem, 4 and 3 are the next percentages and then 2 had started. So you can say that let me categorize this 4 and 3 into one category. So you can put them as B category items. Then rest of the items will be C category. And the criteria for categorizing the items into C is that they will hold the least value in terms of value. They will hold the least amount. But in terms of number of units, they will be the highest one. Okay, A category items in terms of value will be the highest, but in terms of number will be the lowest. For C, just the opposite. They will be highest in number, but lowest in value consumption. Alright, so that is how you will have to categorize the items into A, B, and C items. After doing that, if you are asked to plot them in graph, then you will have to make 100% on both the sides. This is not done over here. It was done in the class. Those who were present, they will have it in their copy. So what you have to do is, in one of the axis, say it is x axis, you will have to put the percentage of the item. And in the other axis, say y axis, you will have to put the percentage of the value of the item. Okay, then you will follow the percentages which you have calculated for the values. You will have to add these two. For A, say you will have to make sure that you are plotting A, B and C's details. If on the x-axis you are taking the percentage of the items, then see, out of 10 items, 2 are A category. That means how much percentage are A category? Out of 10, if 2 are A items, then 20% is A category items. Then 3. Then you have 3 B category items. Out of 10, if 3 are B category, then the percentage of B items will be 30%. And finally, for C items, you have 5 in number. That means out of 10, 5 are C category, which indicates 50% are C category items. So you will take this percentage items on the x-axis, and on the y-axis you will plot the percentage of the value. So what will be the value of A category items? Percentage of the value. And remember, you are plotting the percentages, not the amount in the graph. Okay, so when you will plot the A category items value in terms of percentage, then you will have to add the item A and C's percentage value, because both of them are A category. So we'll add these two. That means 46.67 plus 33.33. So it gives you 80%, isn't it? So 80% you will plot on the y-axis. So A will go in terms of x-axis, it will go till 20%, but in terms of value, it will go till 80%. Okay, all of you should draw that graph as well. If ABC analysis comes in the examination, you should draw the graph as well. You should have this in your copy. I am telling again and again, go back to your copy which was you were preparing on my instruction. You had made separate copy, and then you were preparing the notes on that, doing the sums on that. Please go back to that and see, all these things will be there. If you have done religiously, if you have done seriously, attentively, then all these things will be. So everything will be there. You please check your copy again and again. I am telling you, until and unless you are checking your copy, you won't be able to find out that what things you need for the assignment. Notice, have you seen the notice? Unmute please. Have you seen the notice? By when you have to submit the assignment?
Ma'am, between 20 to 22.
Yes, 20 to 23. No, 23 or 22? 22.
Ma'am, 23. Yeah.
23. Okay. So what will be done is all the questions will be uploaded at once in the website. So you will have to download them and then go on preparing the assignment. You will have then minimum 6 days in hand. On 14th, I think all the questions will be uploaded, and then you will have to start preparing the notes. So on the very first day of this tutorial class, I told that it's not that you will everything you leave till the exam date. Don't do that. Keep everything ready from beforehand. So for that, what you need to do, I'm unable to recognize whether any one of you were there in that. Yeah, Reena was there. So I told you that for the first unit, second unit, notes are not uploaded in Moodle, because all those notes I made you write in your copy during the offline classes during January, February and mid of March. So everything in your notebook. Yes, Ankita.
Ma'am, actually, I'm not able to find my copy. I think I've lost my production management copy.
Very good. Then what can I do? Huh? Ankita, if you have lost your
Ma'am,
copy,
I'm searching for it since 2 days. I'm not getting it.
you should search. You search for it where it can be. You search, and all. I think you will not have proper notes also, because you are not regular, no? Or
No,
were
ma'am,
you regular?
add all the notes written.
Okay.
It was
So
complete.
you do one thing. You take help from those who have the notes. You ask them. You have one informal group also, no? You have one friends informal group. So in there you post, ask anyone else to share the notes. I had also told, so they will do it. If they doesn't do, then you inform me, because for me it is not possible to collect all the notes again, because I have not prepared in written. I was dictating from the book, no, so everything is there in the book. So if you see that, or you on your own, if you want to prepare, then you look at the topic from the syllabus and search in Google.
Rest topics I can do, but this ABC analysis and those you are done in the class, no. So those I'm missing.
Pardon, I did not get you. Voice cracked.
Ma'am, I said that the rest of the topics I can manage, like the first unit and all, but the
Uh,
numerical portions that you are taught, no,
uh,
those notes only I need, basically.
hmm. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'll ask Yogesh. Okay, Yogesh have everything in his copy. So I will ask Yogesh to take picture and post it in your friends informal group. Are you there in any other group other than the official group?
Yes, ma'am, we have one informal.
Okay, so in there I will ask Yogesh to take the pictures of all the numericals and post it out there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Even numericals also, I don't have anything written, because everything I was doing from the book. I was directly doing it in
Ma'am,
the class. So,
ma'am, which book is it? Can I get the book from the college library?
yes, you can get it. It will be of management accounting book.
Management accounting book.
Yes, any management accounting book you will get LIFO, FIFO, all those things. Then ABC analysis you will not get anywhere. You will have to take. I've done two sums. I think those two sums only you have to practice. Okay. For LIFO, FIFO, then EOQ, you can get it from a cost and management accounting book.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, LIFO, FIFO, I know already. Uh,
Okay, LIFO,
then
FIFO, if you know, then for EOQ, you can collect cost accounting book. In management accounting book also sometimes you get, okay?
okay,
Sometimes you
ma'am.
get. Or what you can do is, you can take my book. We'll plan out a meet in college. You will come and collect my book. After examination, you will return that. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. It is okay.
Okay, so you communicate with me through WhatsApp and we will plan out a meet in college and you can take the book from me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
That can.
Hmm.
Okay.
Anyone else having any problem in preparing? And chapter 3, 4, and 5 notes are already there in Moodle. For e-commerce also, from tomorrow I will take a discussion about e-commerce. For e-commerce, you will get all the chapters notes in Moodle. Starting from unit 1 till unit 5, all the notes are there in Moodle. Okay. So, we
Okay, ma'am.
will.
Ma'am, it is not
Ma'am,
coming
from
here.
e-commerce, basically scenario-based questions can come, no?
Scenario based.
Yes, ma'am.
Scenario based, you mean practical based, case study
Yes,
form?
yes, ma'am. The
Yes,
type of questions you gave us in the assignments in the month of April.
yes. Those type of question can come. Those type of question can come, and direct questions can also come. Okay. So actually, if we were all asked to set the papers, so we did that. And if those questions only comes, then you will get everything common from the assignments which I was giving you every day assignment I was giving. No, so
Yes, ma'am.
those assignments only I have set the questions. Okay. So if
Yes,
that question paper gets set, then you everything you will have common. But I don't know actually, because university has also not disclosed whether that set only is going to be uploaded. So be prepared with other things also. Otherwise, from the assignment only you will get common.
Ma'am, if we have any problem in the examination regarding the question, can we contact you for any kind of assistance?
During the assignment timing, you cannot contact. Okay, from 14 till 20 you cannot contact. Before that, whatever help you need, you take. But during the assignment time, you cannot take, because I will be in question mark then, and if anyone comes to know, I'll have to give show cause. Okay, so that is not possible. I will not do that. So before 14th, whatever help you want, you can ask. But after that, I won't be able to help. Yes,
Okay,
Reena. Reena, you were saying something?
Ma'am, it is not showing in Moodle.
It is not showing in Moodle?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, the notes of chapter 3, 4, and 5.
Not showing, but I downloaded from there.
Ma'am, it's not showing in mine.
Okay, then tonight again I will upload. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Tonight again, first I will download it. Maybe the timing, maybe it got lapsed or something like that. Okay, thank you for informing me. So I will download everything from there and will again upload it. Okay.
Okay,
In the announcement section, I will upload them tonight. All right. Hmm. For e-commerce, if you follow all the uploads for unit wise, you will get all the notes topic wise given in your syllabus. I had prepared the notes in that way only. Any case study based or practical questions, if it is asked, then you will have to frame on your own. Otherwise, if direct questions are asked, you will not have any problem. Okay. Okay, then anything else you want to ask? Find out any topic in which you need explanation, in which you have doubt, you want me to explain in the class live. Find out any topic, okay, in which you are finding any difficulty, then we'll discuss on that, because within seven days of tutorial classes, it is not possible to discuss all the topics, no. So you find out any topic in which you are facing difficulty. Otherwise, though, we were doing assignment every day, you should be clear on all the topics, because all are theory based, written in easy language. Still, if you find that there are some topic in which you want me to discuss now in the tutorials, you please do let me know. Yes, Ankita.
cleared.
Yeah?
Nothing, ma'am. It's cleared.
Okay, fine. So, okay then, Bikram, you want any topic to be discussed in the class in which you are finding difficulty, or you have not started searching the notes? What is your status? Tell me, Bikram.
Ma'am, no doubt.
Yeah?
Ma'am, no doubt.
No doubt. Okay, so you have their copy. We
Yes,
were
ma'am, I
attending
have the copy.
classes regularly.
Yes, ma'am, I have the copy.
Okay. So Bikram, you please do me a favor. You click the pictures of all the notes and share it in your informal group for your friends. Can you
Okay,
do
ma'am.
that?
Yes,
Make
ma'am.
only one PDF. Make only one PDF and then upload.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, Vikram. Please do that. So, Ankita, I hope your problem will be solved from Vikram's uploading. I think you will be able to
Yes.
access to the numericals. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. And anyone, if you need any book, you can let us communicate in WhatsApp. You have my WhatsApp number. So you communicate. We will plan out a meet in call. Today also I'm going to college at 12 noon. So if you want to come to me, you can come and collect the book. I'll do something for you. I have the books, I think, in my desk. I have the books. So I will give you those books if you want. So if you want, you plan out a meet today or any day next week also possible. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ayush, tell me.
Ma'am, like the assignment will be the same for everyone, or will it be on a
No,
different?
no, same for everyone.
Oh, okay, alright. Thank you,
Hmm.
ma'am.
But that doesn't mean you will copy from others.
No, ma'am. We want, ma'am.
Yes. Every assignment should be unique because you have time, no? You have 6, 7 days time to
Yes, ma'am.
upload. Uh,
Ma'am, all
Ma'am,
the papers will be uploaded in one day only, or one day one paper like that?
no, I think you can upload in one at once only.
No, no, ma'am. Question papers.
Question paper, I think we also don't know. We are just presuming that all the questions will be uploaded at once.
Okay, ma'am. Because routine has not yet come, no. That's why.
Routine has not yet come. Routine will not come also maybe. So we are presuming that every question will be uploaded at once.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Hmm. And anything anyone else want to ask? Your seniors wrote tougher examination than this. Your seniors, sixth semester, when they wrote the exam, they had to upload it within 30 minutes.
Only 30 minutes.
Yes, within 30 minutes. I mean, writing time was for 3 hours. After that, 30 minutes extra time was given for uploading.
Okay. Then our assignment seems much better.
Yes, it is much better.
But ma'am, I just saw my friend's question papers. No, she was giving the cost accounting paper, and the topic was so much twisted. It was about reorder level, and the word limit was about 2000.
What
Only
was
one topic,
2000?
ma'am, word limit.
Word limit.
Yes, ma'am. It was
Okay.
2000, and the topic was just reorder level.
Oh, is
That
it?
means what level do we order our next level of stock?
Hmm. So in that case, you will have to start from the scratch. You will start from EOQ and describe everything.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I suggested her. She called me up.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Everything. If you also face this sort of question, then you will explain everything.
Ma'am, can we start from like the definition of the subject matter, and then like for example, if any question comes, any such question comes from e-commerce, then we can start by describing what is e-commerce in one paragraph, and then start about the topic like that.
Yes, yes. Hmm.
Yeah,
You will have
because
time to think and prepare. So that is a positive thing. That is why the answers are twisted actually. Because you have lots of time and prepare the answers on your own. That is
questions
why
are
it is
twisted.
twisted. Hmm. So expect that from in your case also expect that only.
Ma'am, it's NBU only, her university.
Hmm.
It's BBA plus LLB that she's doing.
Okay, okay.
So her
So
syllabus
similar
is kind
sort of question.
yes.
Okay then, if you have anything else, we can meet up in college, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah. So I'm stopping the recording and ending the class.